decorated with colored papers, peacock feathers, and flowers. Devotees carry kavadi on their shoulder, dancing in all fervor, beating drums, blowing trumpets, and singing with excitement. ಮುರುಗನಕ ಅರೋಗರ ಕಂದನಕ ಕುಮನನಕ ವೇಲನಕ
Children who participated in this event are Aditya as devotee of Muruga, Anushka as Valli, Brinda as one of the speakers, Nikhil as Muruga elder, Sanskriti Ravi as Devayani, Siddhant Jurani as Shiva as well as the speaker, Sushrit as another speaker, Tejas as the devotee, Amrita, the pretty little girl there, Krishnan as the devotee with Kavadi, Sanjeev as Balamuruga, and Amaresh with Kavadi. And the teachers who helped to put up this program, Srimati Akhila Gauri Shankar and Dr. Vidya.
सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीय मामृतात् ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमः ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमः ब्रह्ममुरारिसुरार्चितलिङ्गं निर्मलभाषितशोभितलिङ्गम् तं पुण्यं यः पठेत् शिवसन्निधौ शिवलोकमवाप्नोति शिवेन सह मोदते। ॐ नमः शिवाय। ॐ नमः शिवाय। ॐ नमः शिवाय।
Hari Om. We have Abhinav Rajasheshan as Shiva, Sharanya Gopal as Parvati, Agish Senthil as the Nandi, Adarsh and Rishabh as the Pujaris, Varsha Subramaniam as the dancer, Vignesh, Ananya, Ritika, Dhruv and Vishnu as the singers, and choreography by Srimati Ganga Giridhar, and the teachers who helped to put up this program, Srimati Bindu Krishnan and Srimati Aruna Tiwari.
सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते। ऐगिरिनन्दिनि नन्दिता मेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवरविन्ध्यशिरोधिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हे सितिकण्ठकुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते सुरवरवर्षिणि दुर्धरदर्शिनि दुर्मुखमर्षिणि हर्षरते त्रिभुवनपोषिणि शङ्करतोषिणि किल्बिषमोषिणि घोषरते धनुजनिरोषिणि दितिसुतरोषिणि दुर्मदशोषिणि सिन्धुसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते ऐ जगदम्ब मदम्ब कदम्ब वना प्रियवासिनि हासरते शिखरे शिरोमणि तुङ्ग हिमालय शृङ्गनिजालय मध्यगते मधु मधुरे मधुकैटभभञ्जिनि कैटभभञ्जिनि रासरते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते ऐ शतखण्ड विखण्डित रुण्ड वितुण्डित शुण्ड गजाधिपते रिपु गजगण्ड विदारण चण्ड पराक्रम शुण्ड मृगाधिपते निज भुज दण्ड निपातित खण्ड विपातित मुण्ड भटाधिपते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते।
The children who put up this program here today are Harini Srinivasan as Devi, Anurag Kamath and Sanjeev Ravichandran as the Purohits, chorus boys Vikram Rao, Shashank Iyer, Ketan Kadali, Ankur Tiwari, Pranav Kannan, Akshay Kalyan, Adarsh Pramod, and the girls Devika Sharan, Mridmayi Sandeep Adhikari, Kavita Kadali, Deepika Lakshmi Ganeshan, Sanjana Rajput, Arundhati Kalyan, and Akshata Prabhu. And the teachers who helped to put up this program, Srimati Naina Yogesh and Srimati Mini Suresh. And the inspiration behind all these slokas here is Kalyanji, who is not here with us today. He has gone back to India, but he has been the inspiration behind putting these slokas, proving that the children can do it, and that was the inspiration for all the sloka classes to put up the other slokas. So this program he will be watching on video and photos. So let us give him a big hand, please.
मधुरं वदनं मधुरं